'Cause I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I try to console her, she just did the best she could. But there are times the best is no damn good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there's so still a part of you you'll leave behind. When it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. Lied and told her she'll be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I had it to it. Some said anything, help me get you real. She reached out for my hand, and a simple touch was more than I could say. And I had to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart. She could have gotten angry, made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized that never was her style. I wanted her to hurt me and to treat me like a friend. I wanted her to say there'd be someday I come crawling on my knees, ask her back again. But she acted like a lady to the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break down, but she smiled at me and never made a sound. And I guess she understood in her way, 'cause the sound